Hello everyone, my name is Jonas and this is your daily dose of Python. Today I'm going to show you how I set up my Python dev environment on a Unix-like operating system. Let's get started. First, we need to check what type of shell we're using. This is important so that we would know what available commands are at our disposal. To do this, we'll run the echo command followed by the environment variable $capital shell. This gives us the full path as well as the binary name of our shell application. In this case, we are using the Bourne shell, abbreviated as SH. Next, we need to check the operating system type as well as the version that we are using. In Unix and Linux platforms, we can use the uname command to do that. We'll use uname followed by -a to get all available output. We are using FreeBSD 13.1. FreeBSD also comes with a built-in command, freebsd-version, that shows us that same operating system version information. We'll use the clear command to clear that screen. Next, we'll check for any existing Python installation on this system. We can use the package command with the info flag, and we'll limit the output to only show any packages that contains Python by using grep. We have two Python installations here, Python 3.8 and Python 3.9. To get the full path of these Python binaries, we'll use the which command followed by the application name, Python, followed by the application version number. We'll do the same for Python 3.9. To check if we have a default Python version specified, we can use the same which command and we'll just put Python. In this case, we already have it specified earlier and we can run this command. If we run Python alone, this should give us Python 3.8. If you want to change the default Python version you want to use, you could do sudo rm and then the full path of this placeholder file. It will ask for the admin password, and if we run which Python, that gives us a blank output. That means that there is no placeholder file for Python specified as a symbolic link. Let's set that again. If you want to set that command, you'll need to have sudo privileges. Then you'll need to use the ln command followed by the -s for symbolic, followed by the full path of the Python binary that you want to use, and then the placeholder file Python in the same directory. The command completed successfully, and if we execute which Python, that gives us that Python file path. Let's clear the screen. Now that we have our default Python version specified, we need to check if we have virtualenv installed in this system. We'll use the package command again, followed by info, and we'll just grep for virtualenv. I already had it installed earlier, so it shows up here. If you have not installed it yet, you could use package, search, and then search for virtualenv. In this case, if you want to install this virtualenv version, you would use package, install, -y for yes for the prompts, followed by that virtualenv package name. I don't want to install Python 3.9 for virtualenv, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Alright, let's look at our present working directory by using the pwd command. We are currently at the home directory of the jigs user. Let's list the contents by running the ls command, and I want this in long format. So I'll add the -l flag. Alright, now I can create my virtualenv by running virtualenv, and then the folder name. This will be the folder where all of your virtual Python binaries will be installed to. I will put it virtualenv python underscore tutorial as the name of that virtual environment directory. This will take a couple seconds. And once it's done, we'll run ls-l again. And as you see here, we have our Python tutorial directory created. So let's change directory there. And let's list the contents. You will have 3 directories created by default: bin, include, and lib. Let's cd to bin, and let's list the contents. To activate our virtual environment, we would want to change this file into an executable file. Right now, we only have read-write permissions for this file. To change this file into an executable file, we'll use chmod plus x for execute, then we'll specify the file name. If we execute ls-l again, we now see that we have execute permissions for the activate file. To activate our virtual environment, we'll just put a dot, space, and then the file name activate. Our prompt now changed to python underscore tutorial followed by the $, and that means we are now in our virtual environment. We can now install any applications or modules in this environment, and this will not affect our existing local Python environment outside of this environment. Alright everyone, that is how I set up my Python dev environment. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get more videos like this and keep up with my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and that helps me build up my channel. Alright guys, till next video, this is Jonas. Peace out.